Hi guys, another route, another vlog. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Calgary downtown. So ang agenda natin ngayon guys, ikutin natin yung plus 15 Skywalk. So may tinatawag silang 15 Skywalk dito. Kung nakikita nyo, yung parang tulay na yan guys na tagusan. Nakikita nyo yung mga tulay na yan. Tulay na yan guys na tagusan sa mga buildings. Mula hanggang dun. Yan, may mga lagusan sila dito guys. So samahan nyo ako ngayon guys. And sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe ng aking channel, so to all the viewers that who haven't yet subscribed to my channels guys, please click subscribe, like, and also click also the notification bell so that you will updated every time I'm posting any contents or any videos over on my channel. So again guys, let's go. Yeah. So yun guys, samahan niyo ako ngayon guys. Akyat tayo dyan sa 15 Skywalk na yan, tinatawag nila. I think yung entrance nandito sa may ano. I think we need to go here. Shortcut na tayo. Napapalayo pa tayo dun eh. So meron sila ditong ano, entrance. We're gonna to stairs, use the stairs. Ayan. Ikutin natin ang 15 Skywalk mula dito papunta doon sa ano, doon sa Bow Valley Building. So tingnan natin kung gaano kagandang skywalk. 15 plus Skywalk. Oh wow. So guys, ganda ng lugar nila dito. Tagusan kung makikita nyo. See? Tagusan to guys. Let's enjoy. Tagusan sa mga building and offices. Ginawa nila ang 15 Skywalk guys. 15 plus Skywalk. You know why kung bakit? Kasi po due to extreme cold season dito sa Canada, sa Calgary, ginawa nila to para yung mga nag-uopisina pwede silang bumiyahe o maglakad using the 15 Skywalk papunta doon sa train station sa mga offices dito guys. Pwede kang umikot. So this is our first time na maglakad dito sa area na to. Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo tatagos. I think dito. This is, what is this? Westin Hotel. Yan, kung makita nyo guys, may Westin Hotel dyan. East. Tapos yun na. Kabilang side. Tapos yung tagusan nito. Tignan natin yung tagusan nito guys. May mga tagusan dito. Wow, it's awesome here. May mga lagusan dito sa mga building and offices guys. Kung makikita nyo. See? Lunch break na nila. Yung mga nag-opisina. Sana hindi tayo maligaw. Oh yeah. We need to go down, see guys. This is the 15 Skywalk that I'm talking about. Plus 15 Skywalk. So right now we are here. So we're heading to the core. We're heading here. Which one? Yeah, we're heading here on Bankers Hall. Not Bankers Hall. Brookfields. Renfrew is. It's Calgary Tower, guys. We're going here in the Bow Building. So from here we need to go like this in Bow Building. Alright, kakanan pala tayo. This is the first time I'm going here guys. At napakaganda pala dito, carpeted. See? OMG, it's awesome. See guys? And over here also on the left side, right side. I think we need to go on the right sides guys. Wow. Yung mga lagusan guys no, kahit di ka lumabag sa ano. Tagos natin sa allowed naman mag-vlog dito guys kasi it's a public places. So walang problema. See guys, meron dito. Meron silang ganyan para hindi ka maligaw. So, kakanan tayo, definitely. I think so. Kakanan tayo. Hindi natin kabisado, pero it's okay. This is, ano to? Roslyn Building. Oh wow, see guys. Nakatawid tayo dun tayo sa kabilang side kanina. From going here. Ang dami naman ng ganyan. Tagusan guys.
I hear all these stories and you guys are doing all this stuff.
Ayan guys. Ito yung 344 building west. We got Tim Hortons concierge. I think pag naligaw tayo, bababa na lang tayo. Maglakad tayo sa baba. I think it's the Chevron Plaza. Oh, malapit na tayo sa ano. See guys, iikot tayo dun sa may ano, sa kabilang side pala yon. Balik tayo sa kabilang side. It's the wrong one. Kasi tagus natin Bow Building. We're looking for Bow Building. It's Roslyn Building. Yep. Bumalik lang tayo guys. Kasi mapapalayo tayo doon. Sa kabilang side tayo. I know now. Lahat ng mga offices nila dito guys, may sarili-sarili silang ano, food court. Kaya I think much better we will go here. Kasi sa kabilang side. Magsalamin tayo. Oh, the next Stock Exchange Tower. I know. See guys, Stock Exchange Tower. Kapasok tayo sa Stock Exchange Tower guys. May magandang ano dito, monument. See, Ramadan Mubarak. See guys, may magandang ano dito. It's kinda, what is that? See? So nandito na tayo. So tagos tayo ng Bow Building. Oh. Diretso. I think, yeah, it's here. Sa Bow Building tayo. Canada Place. Oh wow. Ganda dito guys. Si Fifth Avenue Place. Diba? Kita Kita mo naman, sarap maglakad-lakad dito, paikot-ikot ka lang, di ba? See? Merong mga ano doon, may bupalo. May bupalo doon sa sign yun na ano, monument. Executive si Kuya, guys. So, may mga food court sila dito. Every building. Diba? Ganda. Saan ka pa nakakita na may mga food court sila? Every building. So, may signage dito ulit. Parang di ko manaliligaw. So, we're here. Kakanan na tayo. Bow building na. That's it. You know what guys, ito yung ano, ayun yung Bow building. Maganda, Bobali Square. Gusto ng Bobali Square. Oh, I think much better dito tayo magdaan. Lumiko tayo para makita natin yung ano, yung Wonderland structure. Saka yung Calgary Tower. Enjoy guys. We just only walk through dito sa 15 East Plaza Skywalk. So may mga binibenta mga halaman dito na fresh. Wow. TC Energy Center. This one. Daming bulaklak niya ate. See, that's the Calgary Tower guys. See? That's Calgary Tower. And then they have a nice structures also there, and also Chinatown. See? Then may Chinatown doon. Grabe mga offices nila dito, ano? Open. It's open to the public. Especially pag malamig guys, tagusan. See? Nature dito. Gandang magpahinga. So this is the Lot 40 parking. Tagus tayo dito. Tapos tagus tayo ng Suncor building. I like it. And see guys, this is Chinatown. You can see it's like a Chinatown. See, paikot dito pa. Paano to? Ang ganda naman ito guys. Ikutin nga natin to. It's awesome. What a nice na lagusan, di ba? So guys, that's the Leadhead. And also Calgary Towers over there. So that's it guys. So that's the end of our vlog. So thank you so much everybody for watching. And sa lahat ng hindi pa nakasubscribe ng aking channel guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and also click the notification bell so that you are updated every time I'm doing posting guys. So bye.